Hello, my name is Juan Castillo, Senior Digital Service Technician with Impact Networking, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your staples on your Bizhub. We're going to start with reading the message on the display that tells you to replace the staple cartridge. We will open the finisher door, and you will see that the staple cartridge is ready to be ejected. You will remove it from the machine. You will push the 2 tabs. This will release the cartridge. You will take it out, you'll grab your new one, and you're going to match up the arrows to the ones on the cartridge. Once that's set to go, you will put it back in the machine. You should be ready to staple. Another common problem you might run into is replacing the staples for the saddle stitcher. You'll see the message on the upper right-hand corner. You will open the finisher door. You will see the SD1 label. You will slide this out, and you're gonna see 2 blue staple cartridges. You're gonna release the first one. You're gonna pinch the 2 tabs. This will release the old staple cartridge, and you will load your new one back in. You will close it up. Put it back in. You'll do the same procedure for the one in the rear. You will release the tabs, put the new one back in, close it up, and you're ready to go. Slide it back in, close the door, you'll see the message disappear. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped loading up staples on your Bizhub.